Okay, rewrite each equation in exponential form. Remember that this number right here is your base, okay? It becomes the base of the exponential. So that becomes, this is a 10, this is a 10, so it becomes 10. This is the exponent here to the negative fourth is equal to, and this is the answer right there, 1 over 10,000. Okay, for letter B, we have the base 6. This is the exponent, and then equals 216. For letter C, we have, I don't see a number down on the log, so remember that's base 10. Okay, if no number is written, that's a base 10 raised to the x is equal to, here's your answer, 5. And then for letter D, natural log, that's log base e raised to the m power is equal to 7. And that's all you have to do for those. Okay, this is going backwards now. So remember, this is the base of your logarithm. That becomes log base 32, okay, of 16. And remember, the exponent is the answer, 4/5. For letter B, this is the base of your logarithm. Now we don't write log base e, we write the natural log of 2 is equal to 3x. And then for letter C, log base 10. Now you can write the 10, but you don't have to, of 100,000. And then this is your answer. And you're done with those. All right, so evaluate each expression. These are really important. So we have the log base 3 of 81. Remember, this is like asking for letter A, 3 to what power is equal to 81? And so the answer to that is 4. For letter B, 23 raised to what power is equal to 1? Well, anything raised to the 0 power is 1. For letter C, this is like asking 10, because it's just log, raised to what power is equal to 100? And the answer to that is 2. For letter D, we have log base 9 of 3. That's like asking 9 to what power is 3? Well, remember, the square root of 9 is 3, and the square root is the 1/2 power. Here, 6 to what power is equal to 1 over 6? For letter E, that would be -1. And for letter F, this is log base 8. So 8 to what power is 4? I don't know that one off the top of my head. So we could use our change of base formula and write this as the natural log of 4 divided by the natural log of 8. You were to write that formula down today. So we have the natural log of 4 divided by, or excuse me, the natural log of 4 divided by the natural log of 8. We hit enter, and I want to turn that into a fraction, 2/3. So for letter F, that is 2/3. This should be over here. There we go, 2/3. Okay, here, simplifying each expression, we have 11 of log base 11 of x. You know, the 11 of log base 11, we're just going to get x. Log base 3 of 3, x. Natural log in e, x. And e to the natural log of x is x. I'm not going to worry about that too much. I want to look at these down here. It says solve each equation. Your answer may be exact or correct to 3 decimal places. And so we have 4 to the x is equal to 2 raised to the 3rd power. If you have 4 to the x is 2 to the 5th power. In this case, what happens is this is one where we could change this base right here. Okay, 4, we want to make it match 2, so that's really 2 squared raised to the x is 2 to the 5th power. multiply your exponents together. 2 to the 2x is 2 to the 5th. Now that your bases are matching up, set your exponents equal to each other. Divide by 2 on each side. X equals 5 over 2, also known as 2.5. For letter B, we have 2 times 5 to the x over 4 is equal to 250. Now, I don't like this 2, so I'm going to divide each side by 2. We'll get 5 raised to the x over 4 is equal to 125. We can make these bases look alike because 125 is really 5 raised to the 3rd power. So now that our bases are the same, we set the exponents equal to each other. X over 4 is equal to 3. Multiply by 4 on each side. X is equal to 12. For letter C, this is where we have to use our calculator because there's no way to make 10 to the x look like a 40 or vice versa. So we're going to take the natural log of both sides. That brings this out to the front. X times the natural log of 10 is the natural log of 40. Divide by natural log of 10 on both sides. And now we'll do in our calculators the natural log of 40. Divide by the natural log of 10. And so we get 1.602. And that's going to be all the time I have for now. I'll do another video during step.